The digital artifact that we're investigating is the website Myths and Legends. This website provides an abundance of myths, folktales, and legends for students to explore. With each site-published story, there is an array of information at the user's disposal. Creating connection from these stories to the real world is done through allowing users to create, explore, and read actual facts on the story. The Create Your Own section allows students to create and submit their own stories. The Origin section gives students a background to the story, the time frame the story was created, and some facts about the story. In the story, A Mummy's Tale, we are given facts on the ancient Egyptians and how they would mummify corpses, and a gallery of images that include photos of mummified bodies and the traditional buildings from the original English town. This website connects with the student's curriculum as it can be used to teach lessons based on Stage 3 literacy outcomes. Outcome EN32A composes, edits, and presents well-structured and coherent text can be connected to this artifact in the Create Your Own section of the website. This section allows students to write their own stories. The section also offers an image gallery, sound gallery, a how-to, a glossary, and also a suggestions page. In this Create Your Own section, the students are given a vast array of characters, backgrounds, settings, and props. This allows students to compose, edit, and also present their work. The students can present their work if they submit it to the website, where it will be reviewed and then published by the website. From here, all users of the website are able to view, comment on, and rate the story that has been submitted by the student. This website also connects with the outcome EN38D, identifies and considers how different viewpoints of their world, including aspects of culture, are represented in text. This section allows students to see different viewpoints of the world, compare different origins of each story, and also see how the areas of particular culture have influenced different stories. In this artifact, there is also a history element in stories, as the stories feature real facts from ancient history. This website also offers lesson ideas for history in the Teachers section.
The Myths and Legends website can be utilised as a useful resource to create a variety of lessons for students in different stages that can integrate several different key learning areas and incorporate many different pedagogical models. Looking at the quality teaching framework, the dimension significance can be heavily integrated, in particular the elements of cultural knowledge, inclusivity, connectedness, and narrative, due to the 80 myths published on the website, which take place in different countries, continents, cultures, and time periods. Meta-language, slang terms, and colloquialisms from different cultures and time periods are also used, and can be viewed by the students in the glossary section of the website. Deep understanding and deep knowledge can be assessed through comprehension and creative writing tasks, and creative writing tasks can even be submitted to the website itself. There are nearly 5,000 of these submissions from students and teachers all over the world. Utilizing student autonomy and student self-direction, a set task could be for students to choose any of these 5,000 stories and compose a response or continuation of the story, or proofreading tasks. These literary tasks would cater to verbal linguistic learners, as per Gardner's multiple intelligences. Other lessons that can be taught in other KLAs for other student intelligences would be PDHPE lessons based on many of these myths, such as how the troll was tricked, catering to bodily kinesthetic learners, or lessons based in the creative arts, where students can create artworks based on any of the stories from the website, or perform dramatic representations of scenes from the stories, or hold debates as characters from a certain myth. Geography tasks can be set using the map option from different myths, which incorporates the use of the Google Maps website and software, and students can then use the directions option and latitude and longitude to complete different tasks. Students can complete larger detailed tasks on the cultural, historical aspects of different myths and look for similarities and differences between multiple stories. A task such as this would incorporate higher order thinking activities and increase the quality of learning content in the classroom.